From street stall to supermarket throne, hummus conquers the world. 30 years ago, immigrant secret today, global obsession. Cairo, 1200s, the first written hummus recipe appears. Ottoman Empire spreads hummus across the Levant. 60 years of hand mashing, one family's legacy. From clay to plastic, the packaging revolution. 2010, Millennials discover hummus. Everything changes. Protein. Sugar-free plant-based. The perfect storm. 600% growth. Vegans reshape the market. PepsiCo enters. Hummus goes corporate. American taste. Less garlic, more profit. Superfood marketing. Chickpeas become health heroes. Premium image. Selling self-care, not just chickpeas. Tetra Pak engineers the hummus revolution. High-pressure cooking. Industrializing an ancient recipe. Can machines replicate tradition? The taste test. Cold precision. HPP extends shelf life without preservative. From days to weeks, hummus conquers distance. $4.73 billion. America eats half the world's hummus. Wisconsin discovers hummus, the heartland converts. Shanghai's refrigerators. Hummus goes global east. The Hummus Wars. Lebanon versus Israel cultural battle. 2008. Lebanon sues Israel over hummus ownership. 10,452 kilos. Lebanon breaks Israel's record. This represents our existence, our land. Academia weighs in, appropriation or adaptation. Every fight is free advertising. Hummus wins. 2032, nearly $4 billion. Just America. From savory to dessert, hummus reinvents itself. The refrigerator throne, hummus replaces cheese. China, 14% annual growth. The next frontier. The originals fade. The copies thrive. Mostly unremarkable, the insider's confession. 2021, Sabra recalls 2,100 cases. Trust cracks. 2024, hidden allergens shake consumer confidence. Superfood fatigue, when every food is super. Asia calls, hummus adapts again. Earth to empire, the journey of one bean. One chickpea holds 1,000 years. Where it all begins, the humble chickpea. The original recipe, unchanged for centuries. 1980s America, hummus? What's hummus? Grandma's recipe, the original intellectual property. Health anxiety, hummus becomes armor. Science steals grandma's secret. One recipe. Two worlds. 8 centuries. One dip. Infinite journey. When dip costs more than dinner. Artisanal revival, small batch fights back. What's added? The transparency test. Who owns hummus? The world watches. From Beirut to Beijing, the hummus wave. The originals survive. For now, safety questions, the industry's challenge, class ascension from peasant to royalty, 2025. The fridge talks back about hummus. Tokyo commuters, hummus on the go, one seed. Global harvest, 80 years apart. Same joy. Hundreds of brands. One ancient idea, inside every chickpea, a global economy. Tradition versus profit, the eternal balance. 2030, every airport serves hummus. 1200s Cairo, the hummus birthplace. The hummus genome, culture plus commerce. 2040, Gen Z still loves hummus. Hummus, the family heirloom that evolves. The questions remain. The journey continues. In every bite, 1,000 stories. Chapter ends. The story continues. Everything connects in one chickpea. The journey continues. Destination, everywhere. Dedicated to the hummus believers. Romans loved chickpea dip too. History repeats. Monks preserved the recipe through dark ages. Nobility demanded hummus. Even then, Georgian England, hummus as exotic luxury. Paris 1880s, hummus as exotic spectacle. Hummus arrived with immigrants. Stayed hidden. 1920s Manhattan, hummus for 75 cents. WDY soldiers brought home hummus memory. 1960s hippies discovered hummus first. California 1970s, hummus finds hippies. 1980s cookbooks, hummus simplified for America. 1990s gyms, hummus as workout fuel. Sabra 1990s, the beginning of mainstream. 2000s, hummus enters the mainstream aisle. 2008 crisis, hummus became affordable comfort. 2010, hummus officially arrived. 2015, hummus became food blog royalty. 2018, hummus became Instagram famous. 2020 panic, everyone forgot hummus. TikTok made hummus viral. Again. Chickpeas, the climate-friendly crop. 2023, hummus beats guacamole. Your DNA. Your hummus. The future. 2025, hummus goes fully global. Next stop, space. Hummus goes galactic. 2040, AI makes your personal hummus. History recorded. Future growing, the journey continues. Destination tomorrow, dedicated to the hummus believers. Always.